Hey guys! Today, we're sharing a taste of life here in the countryside of the Philippines. We will be cooking a special Aklan dish called Inubarang Manok.
From gathering fresh ingredients to cooking dinner over a fire, we'll take you through a simple, laid-back day surrounded by the beautiful, natural ambience of the province. Alright, let's get started.
Ayaw mo kasong ibabali. Ayaw ko na eh.
That is banana stock.
Banana stuff?
Yeah, used for Inubarang Manok.
Chicken. Inubarang.
No.
The fluorescent vegetable. Joke. It's ubad ng saging.
Anos na natin. Kasi dahil Inubarang. Ubod ng barang.
Handsome?
Huh?
Handsome?
Oh, it almost broke.
My goodness!
So much for
You
my
broke
drums.
it.
So much for my drum. Eat
Let
some.
me try.
No! Don't die!
You wanna try? It's yummy. No taste though.
And no taste. Tastes healthy. I can't describe what it tastes like what I can relate it to. It's like very watery.
Nagkomos mo.
Bro, ginakumos malawa na butat asin.
Put that right up there. Where is it?
I'll give you the perfect cut.
The perfect cut?
Yeah, this one, no?
That's the perfect cut?
Yeah.
I'll put it right up there. Apparently this is the perfect cut. It smells like nothing. Looks like it'd be healthy though.
Yeah, it's healthy.
Yeah. Now I'll get some with you in there. It looks like onion. No?
White onion.
Yeah, white onion.
Too much water.
Wow, that is a lot of water.
Later that same evening.
it. Too smoky?
Mas manamit ka na magkahaho?
Madaho bro na ay obra man yan.
Sila ra?
Madaho kumusta man. Bilog kayo. Bilog pala.
Ganto tibet ka doon na bisig nga mo pa. There's a flashlight here.
Doesn't need one. There it goes.
It's just smoky.
Pwede mo kaya ay akong nagkuhan. Iyakan na liwat.
Oh, the smoke is in my eyes.
Tuga man ako si Errol, may balik ako na to. Sabi ako, may tubuan na kanipis ang suwa.
A few moments later.
Ba, ang piktura na. Ako sa...
Yummy.
Inubarang manok is a traditional Aklanon dish that we love to cook with native chicken, known locally as manok pisaya. We use ubad, which is the inner core of the banana trunk, and add coconut milk for that rich and creamy flavor. This dish is really popular in Aklan and is often made during special occasions or family gatherings. It showcases the authentic flavors of the province, combining local ingredients to create a comforting and hearty meal.
My goodness.
Yun, walang gulay.
Whoa. Again. Okay guys, kain tayo. Let's eat. We hope you enjoyed this video and we'll catch you on the next one.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe!